everyone, I'm Agnes Onis Alvarico, 20 years old, a second-year student taking up a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science at Norsa Pamplona Extension. In today's video, we will make a oral video with my classmates in answering the following questions. Number 1. What is the difference between plant anatomy and plant physiology? Discussed thoroughly. The study of the tissue and cellular makeup of plant organs is known as plant anatomy. When referring to plants, the term anatomy typically refers to the structures that can be seen with a powerful light or electronic microscope. Plant physiology is the study of metabolic processes in plants. In zoology, the term anatomy refers to the study of internal organs. Histology is the study of cells and tissues of animals. A condensed overview of plant physiology that focuses solely on photosynthesis is provided. The structure of cells and tissues has altered in response to the development of new functional mechanisms. Physiology and anatomy are closely intertwined.
Hi everyone, my name is Jumaita Disabuban, a second-year college student taking up course Bachelor of Science in Agriculture at Negros Oriental State University, Pamplona campus. Question number 2. Enumerate and discuss the function of major plant parts. The function of roots. Roots have the most crucial function of absorbing water and minerals from the soil. The function of stems. The function of the stem is to produce fruit, flowers, and leaves. A primary function of the stem is to provide a foundational structure and protection to the plant. The function of leaves. Preparation of food through photosynthesis. The leaves of plants get the required air, water, and sunlight and prepare the food needed for plants through the process of photosynthesis. The function of a flower is to carry out sexual reproduction in plants through the formation of male and female gametes. Flowers ensure that the gametes fertilize to form seeds that further help in reproducing plants.
Good day everyone, my name is Rimarciali Saicon, a second-year student, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science. So first, what are the parts in shoot system and root system? In plant, the term shoot system typically refers to the main stem, along with the leaves, buds, flowering stems, and flowering buds. In most cases, when referring to the primary stem, the most shoot is used. More especially, it includes the noods, internodes, axillary buds, terminal bud, and leaves. The leaf has 4 parts as well. The stalk, blade, veins, and fascicular nodes are the areas on the stem between nodes, which are the location on the stem where leaves are attached. There are axillary buds that are latent but they have the ability to develop into a vegetative branch in the cracks formed by the node and stem. What are the parts from a root system? The root system consists of 2 main structures, including the root cap and the primary root. The primary root is characterized by the root meristem, the meristematic region, the region of elongation, and the maturation region. Lateral roots grow from the primary root. These cells that gather on a shield that root tips makes up the root cap shield. The root as it pushes through soil layers, allowing the plant to extend its root system deeper into the ground. New capsules are deposited at the root tips when the root cap is harmed by digging through the soil.
Question number 4. What is the difference between xylem and phloem? Describe the movement of substances in xylem and phloem. So, the difference between xylem and phloem is that xylem carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves, whereas phloem carries the food prepared by the leaves to different parts of the plant. The xylem transports water and mineral salts from the roots up to other parts of the plant, while phloem transports sulfurs and amino acids between the leaves and other parts of the plant.
5. What is the annual growth ring? The tree produces new cells every year which are grouped in concentric rings known as annual rings or yearly growth rings. These annual rings demonstrate the volume of wood generated in a single growing season. The growing season starts in the spring, just like it does in places like Canada and the southern United States.
Number 6. Describe each the internal structure of the leaf. So, the epidermal cells are tightly linked to each other and provide mechanical strength and protection to the plant. The walls of the epidermal cells of the above ground parts of plants contain cutin and are covered with a cuticle. Palisade mesophyll are plant cells located in the leaves right below the epidermis and cuticle. The spongy mesophyll, it is a part of the mesophyll where it forms a layer next to the palisade cells in the leaf. The stomata is a pore found in the epidermis of leaves, stems, and other organs that control the rate of gas exchange. Lastly, the guard cells are specialized plant cells in the epidermis of leaves, stems, and other organs that are used to control gas exchange.
Number 7. What is the role of photosynthesis in plants and why it is important? The process of the producing glucose from sunlight with the help of carbon dioxide and water is known as photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, water, and sunshine are used as reactants in the equation, while the products are glucose and oxygen. Because it enables them to produce glucose, which is required to create energy and cellular structures, photosynthesis is crucial to plants. Additionally, photosynthesis produces oxygen, which both plants and animals require for cellular respiration to produce ATP, a complex organic chemical that provides energy. Using the sun's light energy, carbon dioxide is fixed into an organic molecule during photosynthesis. The subsequent conversion of those organic molecules into glucose results in the production of oxygen as a waste product. The cells can then employ glucose as a structural molecule for growth and repair or use it in cellular respiration to produce ATP.
Question number 8. Explain the water movement of plants. The most restricting abiotic or non-living factor to plant growth and productivity is water, which also plays a major role in determining the spread of vegetation over the world. The development of irrigation system from the beginning of recorded history is proof that humans have understood plants' hunger for water since ancient times because it is essential to growth, photosynthesis, and the movement of both organic and inorganic molecules. Water is significant to plants. Despite the resilience, plants only keep fewer than 5% of the water that their roots uses to develop and expand. The remaining portion is lost by transpiration, which is the process by which water leaves plants and enters the atmosphere. Question number 9. What are the factors needed for plant growth? Plants need 5 things in order to grow: the sunlight, proper temperature, moisture, air, and nutrients.
Give our 5 list plant growth hormone and discuss each. Plant hormones can be categorized into 5 main categories: auxins, cytokinins, gibberellins, ethylene, and abscisic acid. Each hormone has a specific function, and auxins and cytokinins and cereal crops can significantly increase plant vigor, encourage the growth of roots and shoots, and lessen stress. Auxins are key hydrolibiotic acids are described in research published in Prairie Soils Crops Journal as a regular of growth and developmental procedure in taller plants. In essence, these potent regulators of the root, shoot, and leaf induce cells elongation, which promotes growth. Gibberellic acids are naturally occurring plant hormones that are used as plant growth regulators to stimulate both cells division and elongation that affects leaves and stems. Ethylene is used in the production of fabricated plastic, antifreeze making fibers to manufacture ethylene oxide, polyethylene for plastic, alcohol, mustard gas, and other organics. Abscisic acids, or known as ABA, is a plant growth regulator known for its functions, especially in seed maturization, seeds dormancy, adaptive responses to biotic and antibiotic stresses, and leaf and bud abscission.